that can serve in equity.
Okay. It has been submitted.
I submitted. So when you're in her office,
okay.
So this is the thing. Hanging, they give a directive that Count 7 doesn't exist anymore. So that
the prosecution
should amend it, change it, it doesn't exist.
They refuse.
I still play to that 714 law.
Yes, it was an error.
It's not an error, big error. So I want them to correct
That
that.
was one of the motions we asked, that appeal should be set aside.
That's correct.
And it has not been heard.
As Nnamdi Kanu is busy throughout today in Supreme Court, filing his court case processes, while waiting for the final judgment on 20th November this month, I believe that on that final judgment, God is going to do wonders. Miracle will happen that day because a lot of people are waiting for Nnamdi Kanu to be sentenced to life imprisonment or to death. But I believe that Justice Omotosho we will not have that mind to sentence him to life imprisonment or to death. So that day, while Nnamdi Kanu is processing his paper for that judgment day, which will be on 20th November, miracle is going to happen. Miracle is going to happen. God will take charge of that case, and Nnamdi Kanu will gain his freedom on that 20th November. So let's go into prayer and pray for him. As you can see today now, he's walking around in Supreme Court, filing his case, preparing for that day. And that day, miracle is going to take place. That day, Nnamdi Kanu will gain his freedom. That day, the people of Southeast will be happy. On that day, the people of South, those who love Nnamdi Kanu, they are going to be happy. On that day, miracle is going to take place. And this is what I believe. And that's what is going to happen. People that are waiting for Nnamdi Kanu to face life imprisonment on that November 20th, they will get disappointed. I believe that President Bola Tinubu, the president of Nigeria, is going to do a very wonderful, wonderful job on the issue of Nnamdi Kanu. He will surprise those who think that President Tinubu will sentence him to death by hanging or life imprisonment. President Tinubu is going to surprise them. I believe that on that day, President Tinubu is going to give order, and Nnamdi Kanu will be released from detention of DSS. This is what I believe, and this is what is going to happen. Please, guys, drop your comments and share this way for more updates. This is Kizito, the K driver. Thank you and God bless you.